Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about Google Docs and be showing a tutorial on the basics of Google Docs. Essentially, Google Docs is a web platform which you can update real-time words, and other people can basically see what you're updating, and if you share with a bunch of people, they can see what you're updating. It's like a group activity sort of document. A lot of people use this for schools and jobs related because it allows many people to be working on the document at the same time. So I have the Google Docs support right here on the tab right here, and I have my email, which we're going to be using a little bit later to show you some of the cool features. Okay, first what you want to do, you want to go to Google Docs, which the simpler way to go to Google Docs is just type docs.google.com. So once you type that in, you should be seeing your email, and all of these are synced to your Google Drive. Okay, and your Google Drive is obviously synced to your Gmail. So what you want to do when you first go on Google Docs, there are many templates that you can choose. You can choose a blank template if you want. Before we go into that, there are recent documents that are down below here. So these are documents that you have worked on previously, but if you're just getting started to Google Docs, you won't have any documents over here. Now, here are different templates that you can use. There's blank right here, which you can make your own template and things like that. And then here are different other templates like a scientific report, a resume, a letter, a report. And if you go on more, there are many more templates to choose from. Whether you're writing a report to whether you're just writing a to-do list for today. So let's go to back. I want to start a new document, so I would go to blank. So what you first want to do when you enter Google Docs, you want to go to the document title, and you want to change the untitled document to whatever document you want to create. For example, I will save this document as example 1. And this allows categorization of the different documents that you have. And this would be my first step in order to create a Google Docs. One thing to note, as I said before, everything syncs with your Google Drive. So here you can put it into your Google Drive folder. Your email is also pictured right here. Another feature which is very important with Google Docs, and it's like basically the fundamentals of Google Docs. One thing that you have to know is the share button. If you click the share button, you can share it with different people. You can either do a shareable link, such as anyone with this link can view, or can edit, or can comment. We'll go over the different features such as edit or comment later. So I can share it with as many people as I like. So right now I'll share it with my other Gmail account, which is sportsrb26@gmail.com. I can either select to edit, to comment, or to view. Selecting edit will allow them to edit the document when they get it. Selecting comment will allow them to only comment on the right side of the bar. We'll go over the comments later. Can view only allows them to view the document and not make any changes. This is good if you want to share this with people who you can trust, or this is good for like jobs, and if you want to share a template or some sort of idea that you have and you don't want other people to edit any data. So I can say a note. So hello Rayhan, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? And this will send via email to the person. There's also an advanced feature which we will not go over in this lesson. So I will click send. I will go to that email and I would check. Or if the other person, just tell them that they can check. So it will basically say the message right here in the body, and then it will say the document title right here, example 1. Then we can open this in Google Docs. So we're gonna wait for this to load. Okay, Here you can see the Gizmo Whiz scroll or clicker. This is the other person's clicker, and you can see where they're clicking or what part of the document they're on. So if I want to see how Gizmo is doing with this project, or where he is, whether he's sitting idle or whatever he's doing, I can go here and it will show up right here in Gizmo Whiz. Okay, now that we got that covered, one more thing. So you can do, if you do comments, these are the different comments that people can have. Okay, so let's go over these features such as the file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, add-ons, and help. Okay, let's go over the file first. So here's the share button. I find this share much easier because for this you have to go to file and share. So there's also a new feature which allows you to go to new, if you want to make a new document, a new spreadsheet, a presentation, a form, or a drawing. This allows users to like interact between a spreadsheet, and if you're making a chart, you can go through a spreadsheet and sync that with the chart on here. You can open a new document via Google Drive. You can rename, which it's much easier if you just double click or click on that part. There's make a copy, organize to Google Drive, which is over here. And then there's move to trash. You can see other revision history. So if I were to type a bunch of things like hello world, if you go to file, then go to revision history, it will show you what the user or what other members have recently done in their work. This can show if they're sitting idle or they have done any work. Sorry guys. Let me do also, since I went back, this brings another feature. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna make this example one. I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, so you can also select different languages such as Cantonese, Portuguese, that sort. This is one of my favorite features. You can download this Google document as either Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF, plain text, web page, HTML, in an EPUB publication. This is very smart because if I'm typing something and the professor has said this needs to be in Word, instead of just copying and pasting it and ruining the format, you can download the document as a Word document, and this makes life much easier. You can publish the document to the web, you can email collaborators, email as an attachment, and you can also do a page setup, and you can print right from this platform. When using edit, you can either do undo and redo. I normally use the keys from the computer like Control Z, Control Y, Control V, etc. There's also show ruler, which is this. Show equation toolbars, show spelling suggestions, compact controls, full screen. Okay, and here's the insert. You can insert as many of these features as you want. So let's go to image. This will take you to, you can upload your image from your desktop or your local disk. You can take a snapshot using a camera, and I have no camera here. You can do it by URL. You can do it by your albums, basically what you have, and you can do it via Google Drive. Then you can search for an image using Google Images. Okay? So if you want to search for an image, let's do planes. And it will search an image, and you can put whatever image you want. And that image has pasted. There's a little bit of lag, but I find it okay. There's also image options and replace image, and other features that you can do with the image. So you can also insert a link. Let's try something. If you do planes, Okay, yeah, this basically creates a hyperlink, but there's another way that you can create a hyperlink, and I will show you later in the video. There's also an equation such as pi or Pythagorean theorem. There's drawings, charts, which you can import or create the data from spreadsheets. You can create a bar, column, line, or pie graph. And also, there's a table, and I like this table because you can customize as big as a table you want. But the maximum amount of squares that you can have in a table is 20 by 20, which is 400 squares. And the smallest is obviously 1 by 1, which is 1 square. You can add a footnote, special characters, a horizontal line, page numbers, so you don't have to keep on adding page numbers manually. You can instead add them automatically, like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. There's also page count, page break, header, footer, bookmark, and table of contents, which you can add. So these are the different formats. These are the things that you pretty much find in this toolbar over here. There are different styles, such as these. There are different fonts. There are different font sizes that go all the way to 96. These are the different settings, whether you want bold, italics, underline, and finding out the text color, or whether you want to highlight. So if you want to highlight something, say hello. We can highlight that text by going to highlight and putting it yellow. If you want to make the text appear a different color, you can go to text and make it a different color as you wish. So you can also change the margin. For changing the margin or the different line spacings, not the margin, sorry, the different line spacings, you would go to single 1.15, which is default, 1.5 double, add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. So you can type a bunch of text and it will, and if you want to make it double space, you would go to this tool and you click double. This will make it double space. Let's select out of this, so none. Okay, and I don't want any, cancel. Let's just make it, okay, sorry, let's just make it black. I don't want this to interfere with what we're typing, so it's black now. There's also a numbered list, bulleted list, decrease indent, and increase indent. Here's just a clear formatting tool. Here are the different tools. There's a spelling tool. Okay, this tool, the research tool, is very beneficial. If you click that, you can search different things. Let's search a Google Scholar. I'm gonna search in computer science. Okay, and you have different scholarly articles that you can have. And this will automatically take the link and put it into an MLA citation, and you can select whether you want MLA, APA, or Chicago. Okay, and another feature is, let's just go back. Okay, another feature is, if you type physics in, for example. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so if you find that Wikipedia is a great source, and if you want to hyperlink it, what you want to do is type in a word. Let's try physics. You have to highlight that word, hover over this context, and click insert link. This will automatically create it into a hyperlink. And now all you have to do is click this and it will take you to another page. Let's go to that other page. Okay, this automatically took me to the physics page by Wikipedia. You can also cite this. Okay, that tool comes very handy. You can also do any service that Google offers, like except like other domains like Google Docs. So you can do images. We have to go back though. Okay, can do images, scholar, quotes, dictionary, personal, and tables. Let's go to images. I'm gonna search physics again. Let's just try something more interesting. Let's try binary. Okay. If you click on the image, it will take you to another website. You can just drag this image here, and it will put the image on the Google document. Okay, let's delete this. So, one thing that's there, if you want to make a superscript like 3 square or x square, you would do this. You could type that, and that would be a subscript right here. Okay. Okay, let's go back to tools. So there's word count, voice typing. You can translate the document, script editor, preferences, and personal dictionary. And there's more add-ons which you can get, such as Easy Babe Citation. And here are some of the different add-ons that you can get, such like plugins. There's also, like I'm seeing, a systems of equations math. So you can create graphs and different things on Google Docs. And then there's also help portion. So if you need help with anything, go to Google Docs. I recommend this if you need help with anything. Please look at the Google Docs. It's very helpful. And you should look at overview of Google Docs. Okay, the one feature that we skipped, and I'll show you now, is if you go to insert and you want to insert a table. If you let's insert a 1x1 table. Now, if you want to insert a column, what do you want to do? Okay, if you're not happy with this table, you want to insert if you want to insert a row and many other columns, what you do, you go to click on the place you want to insert or wherever, go to table, and then insert row above, insert row below. You can keep on doing this. You can insert a column to the left, insert a column to the right, and there you have a 3x3 table already. If you want to insert a row directly above this, click on the row, go on table, do insert row above. You can keep on doing this for as many times as you like. I haven't tried out whether you can do 20x20 squares, but I'll definitely look into that. Okay, it's not letting me delete. But, okay, let's go into the comments. So, one feature that you can do. Okay. If you click this, add a comment, you can add the comment anywhere. And the other person that's viewing it, remember, I had my other email that's viewing the document. You can say, hello, Rayhan. And notice what it did there. As soon as I said Rayhan, which is the username or my name, it automatically gave my email. It will comment right there. Let's go on the other document. Okay, let's try this again. Comment. Okay. Okay, as you see, the comment is right here. Okay, and as you can see, I'm on the here, and I can see the comment. It's saying hello Rayhan, and I can see this on my screen. So basically, the comment is referring to this hello world. So I can reply as, hi, I can fix the grammatical errors within the document. Please wait. Okay. You can also dismiss these comments as marked as resolved, and it will delete the comments. And each of these features sync with your email, which makes it much cooler, I guess. Okay. I'm just gonna see if there's any other features. Oh yeah, there's editing mode. You can also suggest something. So you have to search. I haven't used this feature yet, but I think you do this. You can say hi, then comment. but I'm not sure. I'll have to look into this as well. You can also edit the comment directly, view it, or print the final document. Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, this is, what is this? Is this full screen mode? What is this? Is hide the menu. So hide the top menus to make your workplace, I guess, more efficient. Okay, so you can start this as well, and clicking that will automatically take you to the Docs home, which you can go back. Okay. Here is where that insert link is, faster, because a lot of these Google Docs buttons have like another button which you can easily access. Okay, that is it for the tutorial today on Google Docs. If I forgot to mention something, I'm sorry, and if I messed up a definition or something, please tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, as we are a new channel. We want to gather as many people as we can and bring them on our side. Thank you for watching Gizmo Whiz. Remember, we are premium reviews at a premium price. Not at a premium price, but premium reviews at a high quality definition, I guess. Thank you for watching us, and give us a good thumbs up. Have a good day.